Are we going? There we go. Okay, so let's do 7.5 factoring second degree polynomials. Second degree polynomial is a polynomial whose largest exponent is 2. Something like this. X squared plus 15x plus 56. It's called a second degree because that's a 2. Okay, so basically what it is whenever you do two binomials, x plus a, x plus b, right? And a and b are numbers, right? If you FOIL it out, like we went over a couple lessons ago, if you FOIL it out, you end up with a trinomial. So what we want to do is work backwards from the trinomial to find out what two binomials could produce it. So what we're looking for right now is a pair of numbers, a times b, which will equal 56. That's the first thing we have to find out, is what two numbers multiplied together will equal 56. And luckily for me, they've got a little chart here. 1 and 56 would make 56. 2 and 28. 4 and 14. And 7 and 8. Those are the 4 pairs of numbers that can multiply together to be 56. The second step is that these numbers have to add together to be 15. So 1 and 56 doesn't do it, 2 and 28 doesn't do it, 4 and 14 doesn't do it, but 7 and 8 do add together to make 15. So we're going to look at, whoop, hello laptop, here we go. Get rid of those. We're going to look at x plus 7 and x plus 8. And we're going to think that that is what's going to solve our mystery. So let's work it out. X times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 plus 7 is 15x plus 56 plus x squared. Get rid of that. And that is exactly what we have up there. So our answer is x plus 7 and x plus 8. All right, here's our next one. The two numbers we're looking for have to multiply together to be negative 32 and add together to be 12. And there's a 2 involved as well. So we're going to go, we know it's a 2x plus something, and then an x minus something else. Terrible. Something, x minus something else. Okay. So we know that it multiplies at the end to be negative, so we know one of them is positive and one of them is negative. Then we know that in the middle is a positive number, so we need the bigger number of the two numbers to be positive. So let's see here. 2x times x would be 2x squared, and then 2x times this would be the bigger number. Let's call it 8. I'm going to make this positive. And I don't know, 2, just as a guess. These are harder. When there's a number in front of it, it's a little bit harder. Okay, so 2x plus, that's 16x, minus 2x, 8, 16, 32. Let's make that a 4. minus 4x minus 32. 16 minus 4 is 12x plus, and we have our answer. From guessing, basically. All I did was guess, and it worked out all right.